Welcome to the 14th tutorial in the InterMine Python tutorial series. With the great need for data visualization in the present world, we have introduced a few visual features to InterMine as well. This tutorial will have details of how we can visualize the data using the Python client. This feature of the Python client is supported only on Python versions later or equals to 3.6 because of the dependencies. So please update your Python environment if needed. First, let's import bar chart from InterMine. Like the tutorial 13, you need to access your account from HumanMine in the method saveMine and token. Plot Go VSP listening can be used to print geoterms VSP value, as the name suggests. Also, each bar in the bar chart is labeled by the gene count corresponding to the particular geoterm. Here we can see the bar chart. Similarly, plot Go vs count listening can be used to print geoterms vs gene count. Again, each bar in the bar chart is labeled by the annotation corresponding to the particular geoterm. Again, we can see the bar chart. Query to bar chart log is used to plot the query given as an argument in XML format. It is important to note that the query should be in a format such that the first row contains the gene, the second row has content for x-axis, and the third row consists of y-axis values. When the second argument is true, the y-axis values are converted to their corresponding log values. It is really useful if the values have a diverse range. If not needed, the second argument can be any string except an empty string. We can see the bar chart here. We will soon be coming out with more plots. If you have any ideas, feel free to open an issue in the Python client repository. In the next tutorial, it will help you utilize the module to get details about the data model of various mice. Thank you for watching.